the trading fraternity. Join the cult right away. Get your merch. I'm just kidding. We don't have merch. And that's not what you think it is. It's probably food. But days develop up $3,200 right now. So you guys got to see how it changed. You guys even see the down days yesterday. I have a few plays I'm looking at. Actually, there's a cool play I want to share with you guys. You guys saw me make it. This is one of them that I'm up on. The booking one I told you. Still a crazy play. I want to talk about that more. If you watch my videos, you literally saw me when I get into this trade. So I think you guys already saw this. You see it's up. I want to document when I'm going to sell and do that. I kind of want to get out now. Something cool about it too, you guys will see, that's the open interval. Or the open interest, whatever you want to call it. 3 people bought it today, but there's only 5 contracts being held, so I got one of them. I think that's pretty cool. But you guys saw I bought this at $330. It's trading at $890 now, $990 on the ask. I could probably sell it for like $900 minimum, maybe a little more. But that's an interesting play. But what I want to talk about is the markets in general. What happened? You know, this is going to be another thing about Powell, because there's 2 ways now, you know, where the market's going to be headed, where it's going from here, what could happen. One, it's to understand, okay, what made the stock market go up this much? You know, a lot of people, if you're ever saying, okay, how can I predict these moves? How can I get into this? This was literally purely political, or what the Fed had to say. You know, the minute that came out, you guys look at the SPY, it's like, you know, what predicted this? Was it a technical? No, it's just some dude literally went on a speech and talked. And it's the importance and what that meant for investors. So that shot this stock market up 600, we're up at 585 points. That's why you could have got options, leveraged it, made a lot of money. You know, you guys saw I was down money on my puts the other day. I took some profits. I still got some puts. I'm down on puts I bought, but however, this crazy move you make up for. This is, again, if you guys are paying attention to what I'm saying in these videos, I'm saying risk reward and understanding that. But that booking play, that's one thing. The market's going up, but hopefully you guys understand there's a few things to note about this thing and the whole Fed, Powell, all that. He pretty much indicated that, and this is how people have taken it. Now, this is the risk, essentially. The risks we have to reverse this bounce and to, you know, this could be a great buy the dip opportunity, or it still could reverse, and that's what's been scaring me, simply because that has been the climate this last coming months, where good news comes out, market goes, and it's only getting given back. So I want to see what happens. Again, oil, all that other crap. You guys know what there is. But if the market takes this good, that's awesome. But for now, they've interpreted what he said is good. Now, another take that's interesting on this, to look at it on the other end, is during, you know, 2014, when Janet Yellen first started getting in office, one of her first speeches, she indicated is very similar to Powell, that the policy was different. They were on a different, in that she pretty much indicated she was very hawkish, and the markets didn't react too well. And then a few months later, you know, it was just a rookie mistake. She followed up with it and corrected that and kind of said, okay, we're not hiking anymore. Because now, after this, why this market move is so big, because after that speech, the dot plot and what people's expectations for rate hikes in 2019 and 2020, people were very certain on it up until a few hours ago when that came out. That's why the market reaction is this big. If you guys took the free stock course, equal and opposite reaction. So the magnitude of what he said and the changes it made and the ripple effect, it is clearly being said and is seen in a 600-point move. So that's something interesting. Again, you guys are going to see the booking play. That one's crazy. That's still like $200 out of the money. Not really the best play in the world. Want to make sure you guys understand that. But you see, this is playing the extrinsic value, the premium, the run-up, and, you know, taking advantage of these stocks. It wasn't that much of an amount. You know, it wasn't too big of an amount of money. So that's kind of what's happened. That's your guys' update. We're coming here into close a few minutes. You guys are probably going to see this at close. So coming into tomorrow, pay attention to any of the headlines. We're going to see how the market digests the Fed. I would love to see Trump's reaction. I am going to see if any updates or backtracking on how Powell feels comes out. That's going to be interesting. But if global markets pick this up and it's good, awesome. Hopefully no negative Brexit or oil news, but it's going to be very interesting. So hopefully you guys are ready. I think even two. I will tell you, tomorrow morning is going to be awesome. I think whatever happens, whether it gaps up or down, if there is a gap up, I think a gap up is highly likely, or excuse me, not up, just a gap in general, up or down. But the move it makes following that gap up or down, there's going to be like that 10-15 minutes. I think there's going to be an opportunity for plays, or again, a crazy reversal. But if we don't see a crazy reversal to the downside, then the calls could be a lot of money. So I'm positioned. I'm profiting off my calls right now. I got to reevaluate the puts, see what I got, see what I'm holding. But pretty excited to see what we do from here. So I'll leave it at that. Hopefully you guys like it. Make sure you subscribe if this helped. Give me some questions. Let me know what you want me to talk about. I might be able to pump out another video for you guys. So yeah, let me know. I love you all. Stay in school. Peace out.